Hi friends, Brian at Kingston. Today we're going to salute the heavy-duty oil country lathe that Kingston's been making since 1980. A real masterpiece. The tireless, workaholic, 12.5-inch bore HK model. The HK is available with 34 inches of swing or an even shorter 30-inch swing construction for a lower center of gravity and maximum stability during heavy cutting. Right here you can also see the super convenient air threading attachment option, which is very popular on the HK and the HK's big brother, the HG model. More on that air kickout later. Kingston designed a larger format headstock for the HK, which is even beefier than the 9.25-inch HPX model, and combines this with a 6-pole, 20 horsepower Mitsubishi inverter-driven motor for greater torque. A220 spindle nose on the rear and the front with chuck guards for both. 5 to 300 RPMs, 16 speeds. 40 kinds of feeds and threads for days. Whitworth, metric, module, and diametral pitch. UL List electrical components, change gears for special leads, hydraulic braking system standard, this handy pendant for ease of operation, and greater than 10-ton loading capacity between centers. H to the K, baby. So what else comes standard? This manly apron here, 4-way rapid motor, coolant system, hardened and ground bedways and cross slide, and this heavy-duty tailstock with 2-speed hardened and ground quill with nearly 12 inches of travel. But what I really want to talk about is the optional but popular air threading attachment, which is only available on Kingston's HK and HG models. It's over here. The air threading allows the operator to set a point in the Z-axis for the cutting tool to automatically kick out, which takes the guesswork out of having to manually back out of the thread. Now, you can get this without, but Kingston likes to stock it this way, already installed. Now, let's get into it. First off, are we cutting internal or external threads? This switch here allows me to change the direction of the kick out. This micrometer carriage stop comes standard on the HK, and this screw here triggers this limit switch here, which activates the kick out. I'm going to lock it down here. Now make sure your compressor is hooked up back there and activate your spindle and bring it up to speed. Okay, now we can start feeding by pressing this button. Check it out. Now we'll watch it kick out. Great, now let's check it out from back there. This is what the air threading attachment looks like from the back. This screw here allows you to set the distance of the kick out. You hook up your air compressor here, it's easy. Now, don't worry, this doesn't negate your ability to use a taper attachment. Kingston makes a special taper that works with the air threading. So, let's wrap it up. The HK is a 12.5-inch bore threading beast from Kingston. It's available in 34-inch swing or 30-inch for a lower center of gravity. Comes with a larger headstock with a larger footprint for greater stability, a 6-pole motor for greater torque, hydraulic braking system, bed lengths up to 280 inches between centers, and the optional but popular and convenient semi-automatic air threading attachment with special taper. The definitive HK model from Kingston, helping you make that green since 1980. You know who else was born in 1980? Yoda. That's who. If you have any questions or comments, find your local Kingston dealer or reach out to your friends here at Kingston Machine Tool. Once again, I'm Brian. Stay awesome.